Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to give you some reading tips. That means we are going to read together for A1 level. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, we are going to read together. I'm going to give you some of the reading tips, some of the pronunciation tips, and this text belongs to A1 level. Before we start with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And in case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just start with this video, and here there is a small text which belongs to A1 level. So it is basic reading, right? But I'm going to give you a lot of pronunciation tips over here. So if you want to grab a notebook, grab a pen, just keep on noting down what I'm going to tell you, right? Alright, so let's just start with this. Now these are three different words, but we pronounce them together. We say it as il y a, une. Now here, famille. There are two syllables, famille. F-A, the pronunciation of A in French is A, so fa. And whenever I-double-L comes together in French, we do not pronounce double L. So we have to pronounce only till I. So famille, il y a une famille. Now, in French, we write the letter H, but we don't pronounce it, right? So H, it's just like treat it as an invisible letter. EU, the pronunciation of EU is E. So R-E-U becomes hers. With single S, the pronunciation is Z. So hers, don. Now here there is a rule, liaison. What is liaison? Liaison. Now liaison is a rule in French whenever a word ends with a consonant. Now S is a consonant and the next word begins with a vowel. U is a vowel. Then what happens? You start pronouncing the last consonant. Basically, in French, you generally do not pronounce the last consonant. If this word would have been separate, you would have pronounced it as don. But now, since after this word, there is a word which begins with a vowel, then you say dans un. Separately, it is don, it is un. But together, it is dans un. Petit. Just now, I told you, you do not pronounce the last letter in French, last consonant rather I should say in French. So this T, last T would be silent. So you say petit. VI is village. Il y a une famille heureuse dans un petit village. See, the pronunciation of normal E, the letter E in French is E. So L-E becomes le père. Now see, this one. This E is with accent. This is accent grave. Alors, le père, Jean. Right? Le père. The pronunciation of the normal letter E is le. But as soon as you put this accent grave on the letter E, the pronunciation of E changes from to A. So now it is not P, it's P. So, le père Jean. Now this is the conjugation of the verb être. Et, it's not est. Et. Professeur.
Professeur, il aime enseigner. Now here, this is the pronunciation tip. Whenever you see the combination GN, then the pronunciation is N. So enseigner, enseigner, enseigner. Now there is a pronunciation tip over here also. Whenever you will see a word ending with ER, like here, there are other words also, might be possible that you will find it over here. Enseigner, il aime enseigner aux enfants. Now, what I was saying, that whenever a word will end with ER, it will give you the sound of A. So, enseigner, enseigner. Now, this word is pronounced as O. AU in French is O. The combination AU is O. Followed by this consonant. So, I told you in French we do not pronounce the last consonant. So, this will not be pronounced O. Now, this is enfant. Enfant. S you will not pronounce, being it a last consonant. But now again the liaison rule will come. What? O is ending with a consonant and enfant is beginning with a vowel. So again the same rule which I told you over here, the same rule will be applied here also. Now separately it is O enfant, but together it becomes aux enfants, liaison. Right? You start pronouncing the last consonant as well when the next word begins with a vowel. Sa. Now this word is very mispronounced. I've seen a lot of students pronouncing this word as femme. It's not femme, it's femme. Ah. You need to open your mouth. Ah. Sa femme marie est. The same word. Et, conjugation of the verb être. Médecin, médecin. Now here, I told you the pronunciation of the letter E is A. But the moment you apply accent grave onto it, this is a back accent. The moment you apply this, the sound changes from A to A. Here what you have is the forward accent, which is known as accent aigu. It's the aigu accent. Here the pronunciation is A. So this is A, this is A, and this is A. So this is médecin, médecin. L, M, now AI. The pronunciation of the combination AI in French is A. So A, they. Again, the same thing which I was telling you. Whenever there is a word which ends with ER, you give this a sound of A. So A, they, les. Now, this I have seen students pronouncing it as gens. No, it is Jean. In French, you do not pronounce the last consonant, so it is Jean. Elle aime aider les gens et acheter. Now here, this combination. In English, if I compare it to English, the pronunciation of the combination CH is ch, like chips, right? But in French, whenever you will see the combination CH, the pronunciation is sh. So, acheter. Again, ER at the end, so it will give you the sound of A. Acheter. Acheter. They. Now see here, let's break it. CA is Ka. Ka. Now the pronunciation of EAU is O. And the last consonant you don't have to pronounce. So it becomes Ka-do. Cadeau. Pour. Now here you have the combination OU. The pronunciation of the combination OU is U. So it becomes pour. Pour. Now this is leur. The pronunciation of EU I told you over here is So this becomes leur. Because you don't pronounce the last consonant. So leur. Now this is enfant. The same word. Enfant. But again the liaison rule is applied. Why? Because leur is ending with a consonant and enfant is beginning with a vowel. So you will start pronouncing this S as well. It becomes leurs enfants. Leurs enfants. Now here, this is il, not ils, because we don't pronounce the last consonant. This is il. And the next word is on. Again the liaison rule. This is ending with a consonant and this is beginning with a vowel. So together it becomes ils ont. Ils ont. Now this is, again, see, EU is a. So DEU becomes de. The last consonant you are not going to pronounce. And this is again the same word, enfant. Enfant. Again the liaison rule. De is ending with a consonant and enfant is beginning with a vowel. So it becomes deux enfants. You'll start pronouncing the last consonant as well. Deux enfants. LU is Lucas. Because S you're not going to pronounce. Lucas et Emma. Lucas et Emma. Let's just revise it once again. I'm going to read it for you. Just observe how am I reading. I'm going to give it a slow read. Il y a une famille heureuse dans un petit village. Le père Jean est professeur. Il aime enseigner aux enfants. Sa femme Marie est médecin. Elle aime aider les gens et acheter des cadeaux pour leurs enfants. Ils ont deux enfants, Lucas et Emma. That's it for this video. In case you have any other text which you want me to make up a video on, mention that in the comment section below. I will surely be making the video on that passage. That's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.